Hi dear friends, long time no see, how's it going? So Mother's Day is just around the corner. Guess what surprise gift I have bring you this time? Yep, exactly. It's an awesome captor bag I'm wearing. Very cool, right? So let me show you details clearly. The whole bag is made of wood with well-designed color-blocking pattern. Inside, we use artificial leather, more delicate and durable. And the best part, let me tell you, it's very spacious and functional. Do you guys want to know how to make it? Follow me and let's go! First, let's prepare for carving. Panel firmly in place and select the appropriate bit. Then, positioning check. Finally, starting the carving process. We need to use the TTC6050 to carve out the size of boards. We first tear off the adhesive backing of the leather. Stick the wooden blocks in order. Then cut the leather along the edges of the bag. Remove the leather. Pay attention to turning points. If the size is incorrect, it needs to be modified. Next, let's start to install the metal ring on the side of the bag. Punch the front of the bag to install the locking clasp. The other side is also installed. Try to see if the position is suitable, and the shape of the bag will come out. Finally, we need to assemble the side of the bag with the body. Adjust the right position and fit it with small nails. When all the positions are fixed, a delicate and durable captor bag is done. If you want to make it look more textured, don't forget to apply a little wax oil to touch up to the surface to make it smoother and more delicate. Very easy, isn't it? I believe if you can make such a beautiful and practical bag by yourself, whether it's for your family or your lovers on Mother's Day, can brighten up her eyes. So if you are interested, please join our Facebook groups and get free files. So see you next time. Bye bye.